Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is not breaking news. I was sleeping at the time. Kathy woke me up. But in New Orleans, at the Hard Rock Hotel being constructed, it collapsed several hours ago. I posted all the videos in my paranormal news forum. A second collapse occurred, and incredible footage of the collapse was taken by a man in a truck with his dog. Part of the hotel just peeled off like this, and you can see as it approached the street, people on foot running for their lives. It looked like something like a Godzilla movie. So it's 18 were taken to the hospital. One is dead. First responders are going to go in when it's safe and look for other construction workers. There were two big cranes and high winds there when the side of the building just peeled off like you take a stack of waffles and would just have a piece fall off. And there's some incredible drone footage done there too by a Storm Chaser media group. So I'll post that link, but I thought I'd let everybody know that's what's going on in New Orleans. It's tied up the streets and transit lines, and the authorities are asking people to stay away, but people have been showing up to film the damage. So, all right, this is George Senda. Donate to the channel. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, but above all, stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.